All right, take a look at this 1958 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. 58s, of course, were the 1 year only body style. When these came out, Chevrolet's kind of catchphrase was longer, lower, and wider. And that they were compared to the Tri-5s, 55, 56, and 57. You notice they're quite a bit wider, sit a little lower. Favorite year for a lot of people is the 1958. Also, up to this time, this is the most chrome and bright work that was ever put on any Chevrolet. You take a look at the 58s, lots of chrome and bright work. And this is a nice one too. This car is in Rio Red. Has the tri-color interior, which would be gray, black, and red, which would be a cloth and vinyl. That's what it came with. This was actually a Rio Red Arctic white car, and then had the gray, black, and red interior to it. It also is very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, 348 under the hood, and that is a tri-power. According to the previous owner, this was a tri-power car. It's set up with a 348 tri-power right now, paired with an automatic transmission. If you want to check out the still pictures underneath the hood, check out the other side of the car, the interior, that tri-colored interior I was talking about. Check out the still pictures down below this video. In the description, there's a link you can click on, or go to uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. As you can see, the paint is in nice shape on this car. I'd call it the upper end of a driver quality. This car came to us from the southeastern United States. It was actually, I believe, produced or built at the Atlanta, Georgia plant. And again, you can check out those things on the data tag, and the data tag is in the pictures. I'd like to see some of those. Retaining the stock interior. I did have the wipers working. I have not had that radio working. Looks like it's got a stock radio in it. There's kind of a cool tri-color interior. Very popular in these Impalas. Come around to the back, it went away from kind of that sharp up and down wing to kind of the horizontal sloping one. And of course in 59, 60, it went to that sharp edge one off the side into the cat eyes. And here was the 3 lights in the back, 2 brake lights and a backup light on each side, which Impala's kind of got to really be known for later on into the 60s. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. See the fender skirts, and again all the bright work and chrome around to the back end of this car. Once again, down below in the description of this video, there's a link. You can click on that. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures, look this car over close. Feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with any questions you might have on it. Some more chrome from back in the day. They actually had the door handle guards. A lot of bright work and chrome up and down these. Let's go ahead and check out the interior a little closer. We'll start it up and check out the engine bay also. So you can see the carpeting, the seats, everything very nice shape in here. Headliner also in good shape. See the seat's not ripped or tore or worn there where you get in and out of it. See that quite often. Let's go ahead and start this up. This is a smooth running, easy starting car. And there was the stock radio that I was talking about. I did not have that working. I have not noticed the clock working. I did have the wipers going, and it does appear that the fuel gauge does work. Temperature gauge, I have not had the car running. I believe that will come up as well when the car warms up. So just a cold start when I got in and went to do this video. So I'm going to have the high idle on just a little bit. Slip around the back. Got a nice that door shuts. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Nothing wild. about what you would have expected out of a 58 Impala back in the day. I'm going to come up here, pause this video, and let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Peek at that 348. Alright, there's the hood liner. Tri-powered 348. Power steering, power brakes. It runs nice and smooth. Very nice 58 Impala. So there you go. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com, or look down below this video in the description. Click on the link. Take you to still pictures of this car. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Of course, financing is available. We do consider trades, and we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.